This over here is just warm. You can see all the steam coming off the hillside. There's probably other hot springs popping out higher up there. Now there's a hose over there bringing hot water down the hill. We gotta figure out why it's not working. There we go. Woo, that's hot. All right, so we got cold water there, boiling hot water there, and warm water flowing in here. And you can kind of use the 3 to adjust your temperature. Oh man, I want to jump in this right now, but it's getting dark and I'm getting hungry. And I need to give this some time to clean out the pool and get it nice and warm. Woo. That is so awesome.